These are some of the things that I learned while watching the videos and exploring Read and Write 11. So first thing is how to unpin and repin the taskbar. So you just press this button down here, and that unpins it, and you can move it to any side of the screen. So now it's repinned, unpin it again, and move it over to here. Another thing is that you can change the toolbar. So come over to here and current toolbar. This is all features. I think that might have been what it was on. There's reading features. Go up here again. Writing features, or if you press this button, it'll just tab to the next one. Research features. Another thing is that you can change the color of the toolbar. So here it's teal now. Now we just turned it to black. Now to orange. And also, the toolbar has a picture dictionary. So you come over to here, you can search anything, and it'll give you pictures of that word. Just a dog and cat. Now, mouse. Maybe now, tiger. And so on. Another thing is the fact finder. What this will do is you can type in anything. So let's do dog again. And it will do a Google search on it. And it'll even read aloud the text. Another thing is the text read aloud button, which is right here, and that can be used to read anything. Now, Screencast has a little bit of trouble with the read alouds, but we'll see how this goes. I'm going to get back to this, and I did this in a Word. I made a Word document for the read aloud. Alright, and these are some of the things that I learned while watching the videos and exploring Read and Write 11.